new day today. I'm doing skincare at the moment. I never tried this last night, the Rich Cream, so we're gonna do that right now. No time like the present. I'm wearing my comfy shirt. We're gonna go wrap some presents, and I feel like that's the best way that we can start this day. I'm taking a step back today from my to-do list and just basically doing what feels good today, like what I've been wanting to get done that's on the fun side of things. So that's the approach that we're taking for today, so I don't get overwhelmed, and you know, I have to take care of myself. So today is about taking care of myself. I'm so excited to try this cream out. I have been wanting to try this forever. I've heard so many good things about it. It feels amazing. I was kind of scared about posting yesterday's video because after I watched it, I realized I was talking a lot about Christmas stress, and the thing I was like crying about the most and the thing that was saddening me the most was something I went over with my therapist. I feel like the thing I could discuss was the Christmas thing, which is it's like a secondary stress of mine. It's not the first thing. So I'm not crying over Christmas. I don't know if I made like that kind of clear enough. When I was talking, I was just really sad about the first thing that we talked about, and then we talked about some Christmas stress and like what I can do, and she told me to lean into Christmas. I need to really just focus on doing some fun Christmassy things, and she said just add a Christmassy thing into your vlog and then you'll feel better. I mean, that's not all she said. There was a lot more, but that's what I'm doing. So that's why I figured we'd do presents together. And I think my period is coming really soon, so I woke up today so tired, and I'm realizing the day after therapy I'm very tired, and I think it's because I process a lot, and we're kind of at a point where we're getting into some of the heavier stuff. Like I've been seeing her for a while now, and so now we're like really taking a deep dive into things and a lot is coming up, so I'm definitely a lot more tired the day after therapy. So I'm gonna keep that in mind for how I plan out my week, and going into the new year, how I plan my content. I'm really gonna keep that in mind. Maybe I'll take Tuesdays and Wednesdays off from any form of like social media and content and all of that. And just the theme of 2023 for me is gonna be take care of myself. And I have a totally new definition of what it means to take care of myself. After like going through therapy, and the degrees that I have gotten didn't necessarily give me practical ways to care for myself other than just surviving to get through them. So, and again, if you're new here, I basically have degrees in like every freaking health thing possible. I'm just kidding, just psychology and cognitive sciences, started my nutrition thing, and then I got my master's in kinesiology. All right, I think that's it. That cream feels so nice on my face. That is both amazing and sad because it's so expensive, but I'm so glad I'm getting to try it out. It has all of the awesome ingredients that I typically go for, like squalane, glycerin, avocado oil. There's some different things in here that your skin needs to thrive. Hydrolyzed rice protein, that's cool. There's different peptides in here I'm noticing, arginine, glutamine, phenylalanine. We'll see what this does to my skin. I'm feeling so fresh. It's not greasy at all, and it doesn't feel as thick as my Skin Fix does, but I feel just as moisturized, if not more. So let's move on to wrapping presents. This has been a long enough intro. Thank you for joining me on another day in my life, besties. It's been so nice keeping up with you guys a little bit more than I normally do. Sunny, ow. Sunny keeps eating our bed sheet, and we had Nan sew it for us. Bro, you have so many toys. He has toys everywhere. Why do you eat our bed sheet? We got this from Nordstrom's. We did. He's a silly goose. Fun fact about me, I don't make my bed. And I do not care. Every time I try, it does not look as good as when Nan does it or the cleaners. They do an amazing job. That is so cute. This thing is so so cool. It actually works. Wow, that was awesome. I'm doing all of Nick's wrapping paper and this from the North Pole that I got from Target, I think. And I'm gonna do all of his presents in that. I like to coordinate what wrapping paper goes with what, just so it's easier for me so I don't forget anything. So like I'll do all of Nick's presents in one paper, and then all the presents we give to our family, I'll do in another paper, just because sometimes when it's all the same paper, I don't see when stuff is for family and things can get missed. It's happened before to me, so that's why I like to do this. This was super affordable, and the roll was only $5 at Target, but the roll is super small. I found that buying from Amazon, it's like 4 times the price, but you get way more bang for your buck when it comes to paper. So just Melissa things. Another thing I do is I like to wrap stocking stuffers. I just think it's so fun to unwrap stocking stuffers. It's just like extra little mini gifts. So these are stocking stuffers for Nick. You look so handsome. Buddy, come here. You want a treat? You want a treat for being so good? I'm dying. This is amazing. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Hi, pretty boy. Do you have some nice blueberries? Show your dad. Show daddy. Come here. Hi, baby. You're gonna attack the Santa, I know. I just finished wrapping. As I walked away, I realized I have one more present to wrap, so I'm gonna do that in a little bit. But I'm gonna watch the gingerbread competition show. Let me show you which one. I need to pull it up. This is the one that I'm gonna watch. It's the Holiday Baking Championship Gingerbread Showdown. So I love this show. It's so fun. I have my Christmas tree in view, my drinks, my pooch, some fresh air. So now I am ready for a restful little bit, recuperating from the past few days, well, the past month really, the past 28 years. Actually, you know, it's not very far off, but yeah, I want to have a little bit of a break. I might go light my candle for some more, even more ambiance. I am getting hungry for some lunch, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. I never meal prepped like I wanted to. just had a little bit of lunch. I got it all over my shirt, if you can see. But I think I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls right now because I need them for brunch. And I've been going back and forth because the recipe I use makes 12 rolls and there's gonna be 14 people. I highly doubt everybody's gonna have a cinnamon roll, and I highly doubt anybody's gonna want a second cinnamon roll. That's just not something normally people get seconds for. But I'm considering making 2 batches of dough. So I'm just wondering what I should do. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 batches and go from there, because worst case scenario, we just have an extra pan of cinnamon rolls in our freezer, which I'm not mad about. So I'm just going to make this. I probably won't talk while I'm doing it. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing on my island. And yeah, let's make some cinnamon rolls now. I'm actually so happy that I rested because I'm feeling a little bit better than I did this morning. And who knew, I just needed to rest. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see all that I'm doing. And I have to make my own brown sugar because I forgot to get brown sugar. So I'm gonna do that with just coconut sugar and some molasses. I think that's right there, yeah. So freaking good. Wow. I outdid myself. Gorgeous. Beautifully risen, not overproofed. You get these in the oven. Let's see what we have for day 22. For tuna skin, never heard of them before. This is a daily renewal cream. We'll have to try it out. All right, besties, I'm gonna sign off here. I had so much fun with you all today. I'm glad I had kind of a rest day. I don't know if it was truly a rest day, but I still got a little bit of stuff done, had some Christmas cheer. I had so much fun watching that gingerbread show. That was awesome. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.